Good morning, everybody. I have a project that I'm going to be starting, and just kind of wanted to share a little unbagging this morning. So the project is going to be rebuilding the TransTrem on this custom guitar. And when I say rebuild, it's just going to be replacing a spring, tension spring down here. And there's also some little bearings that go into this pivot point right here and over here. So I'll be taking it apart and replacing that spring, the bearings. Probably going to take the saddles and see if I can polish up the rollers a little bit. But I got my bag in the mail, so let's open it up and see what we got here. Easier to try to do this by hand. These materials came from headlessusa.com, which is where I had got my Steinberger GL2T, and they also sell parts, strings for a lot of the Steinberger guitars. They sell the replacement bearings and the spring for the TransTrem. So let's see what we got here. Looks like just the receipt, probably. Let's see what else we got. I did get some strings, for my Steinberger. So I got, I bought all of those that I could. Let's see, there should be 6, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, there's the 6th. So I should be good on double ball calibrated TransTrem springs or strings for a while. I don't want to keep calling them springs. So I like the 10 to 46 on the calibrated strings. So yeah, should be good there for a while. I also have, let's see, well, that looks kind of small, doesn't it? That's the spring that they sent me. It's a little smaller than I expected. I guess we'll see if that fits. Also got a pick. It says Headless USA. That's their number, in case anybody wants to call them, I guess. I got the spring. Also have, oh, they got them in the same bag here. I got the little adjustment tool. Just let me show you what that is. Take that out here real quick. Like that. Okay. So basically what that is it's just a small blade that's down inside there, and that's used for putting over these screws here, just like so, to adjust the TransTrem calibration if you need it. Just keeps from nicking everything up with a screwdriver, I guess. So that'll be cool. Set that over here. And then I also have got the bearings to replace. Let's take a look at that. There we go. Small little guys. I got 2 of those. And the spring. And yeah, so that'll be my project coming up. I'll record as much as I can, disassembly, any headaches that I run into, and let you guys kind of see the process. I don't think there's a whole lot to this tremolo, but I guess we'll find out. So yeah, look for those videos coming up soon, and yeah, hopefully that'll go smoothly, and I'll have a updated TransTrem on this guitar. All right, we'll see you soon.